Okay, this is just a redo of the JLT 1,000 mile inspection that I did yesterday, I believe, or day before. Like I said, JLT recommends you do this after 1,000 miles just to see how much the catch can actually caught. And this is filmed with my KYOCERA DuraForce Pro1 cell phone in 16.9 aspect ratio. The other video was filmed in the 4.3 aspect ratio. So this one should look a lot better, but mainly because of the color outside. It's not so washed out. We still got a lot of smoke from the fires. I can taste it. My throat is getting a little raspy, and I just washed my car with Meguiar's Gold Class wash soap and a soap gun by Black Fire. So let's go ahead and check out this JLT 3.0 catch can again. Here's the engine of the 5.3 Silverado V8, and here is the catch can right here. It has a 3-ounce container. I do have an extension that I'm going to be adding to it at the 3,000 mile inspection again. Now this is how much the JLT catch can caught. I can guesstimate that's probably 1/8 of an ounce at the most. At the 3,000 mile mark, I'll actually try to find something that I can dump this in that has ounces on it. So that is the blow-by that gets past the pistons, winds up into the crankcase, and then is redirected back up and out the engine through the PCV valve and back into the intake manifold to be recycled. And what happens is this oily blow-by that is in this catch can will actually get stuck to the back side of the valves. It can cause quite a few problems down the road, like lower gas mileage, poor fuel efficiency and economy and drivability. And it can actually dilute the octane level of the fuel. So here's some video of the Silverado. Just got done washing it. Looks pretty sweet. Now check out that reflection.